Happy November! Want to enhance your imagination? Well then, let's talk Envision. What happens to you when your teacher desk or workspace is cluttered or disorganized? Frustration? Time wasted trying to find things? Difficulty assisting your students? An organized workspace sets a tone of empowerment and confidence. Interested in learning ways to organize your teacher desk? Here are some tips from an online article called Organizing Your Teacher Desk Workspace. To begin, first reflect on the function of your teacher workspace. Take a blank sheet of paper and fold it into 8 boxes. Brainstorm 8 activities you use your desk for and list all the supplies you will need to do each task. Then, intentionally organize your desk to fit those needs. Collect all the supplies on your list into one area. Declutter, put the items that we'll use most often within arm's reach, follow the 10-second rule, and label everything. And when your workspace is organized, make sure to maintain it daily to start strong every day. Click the link provided on our Envision video description to read the rest of our featured article. The link can also be found on Google Classroom. Thank you for your time, and remember, a few minutes a day will make a big difference in staying organized. Happy November!